But the point is this, that what Johnson actually makes the point of in his book Modern Times is that you see a new type of unholy trinity in the 20th century, or really in modernity, bleeding into the 20th century, that is. And he names three figures that we should look at. The first we've already studied in great detail, and that is Karl Marx, who of course promoted the concept of communism. What Johnson points out is that for Karl Marx, the great chief end of man, the great dynamic that seemed to push all of human life and human interest was economics. In other words, it all came down to money and classes and the warfare between classes. In other words, man's material needs and man's material possessions and man's material equality, if there is to be such a thing, that's his chief end. That's what makes him a man, so to speak, according to Marx and his ideals. And so you no longer have a heavenly Father who has actually created the world simply because he wanted to and for his own glory and has made his creatures to live in communion with him. Instead, you essentially have man who is trying to fight for his own survival and his own economic interest within this world. It's a very different picture.